Why is this cuter than Skims? Pretty Little Thing put the hygienic label on here, but Skims can't. These are $15 and the Skims are $78. You cannot tell me I'm not about to take some Instagram pics and tag Skims. The Netflix and chill outfit. Kim K sued for $10 million. Like, there's no way. Like, why does this fit better than Skims though? Pretty Little Thing, you have duped it all. Hey loves, it's Time the Infamous here and welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited for this video because girl, we have some piping hot tea today. When I saw this, I was just like, oh my gosh, no they did not. But girl, yes they did. So today we are going to be checking out the new Pretty Little Thing Second Skin lingerie collection. I have to say second skin because we can all see this is just like a Skims knockoff. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot believe it. I swear on everything, you guys, Kim K was shook too. Because the next day, well, we'll get into that later, you guys. It's just like so much, I don't even know where to start. When I saw this drop on Instagram, your girl was there waiting at the door. I got there, I checked out so quick, and I got everything so that we could check it out together. Spoiler alert, some of these pieces fit me cuter than my Skims, and I'm not even kidding you. So first, our giveaway, you guys. I have two of the same thing. This one here with the tag still on is going to one of you lucky viewers. This is my favorite piece from the entire collection, so I hurried and went and scooped you guys up one as well. You are also going to be winning this big box of makeup. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. Do you think PLT ripped off Skims or was it an original idea? Let me know down below with your email address. So this is from the new Pretty Little Thing collection. For one, they have, I believe, 6 colors as well. As you know, Skims started the whole like skin tone line. They have light to deep, you guys, and they have a color deeper than this as well. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm literally shook. I have bought over $1,000 worth of Skims. So when I saw Pretty Little Thing had this, I was like, no, they do not. This dress is $15 and the one from Skims is $110. Yes, they have it down to the color. So this color is in the color Toast. So when I saw this from Pretty Little Thing, I was like, girl, let me scoop it up. You may be thinking, oh, well, you know, those are super, super cheap. You know, Skims is quality. Yes, girl, that is what I wanted to believe too. But no, this little number is double lined and this is see-through. Okay, it's not like, oh, you just happen to go to the Pretty Little Thing website and these just happen to be there. No, what made it worse is that they did a whole campaign, got all of these models plus size, small, in between, light to deep, everything, you guys, and really recreated the Skims advertisements. That's when it had through me. I was like, no, they did not do like the Polaroid in studio look, right? I was like, the next day, they went and added the mask I was like, no, they didn't. There is a lining protection on the mask. Isn't that amazing? I'm gonna keep the lining on because of my lipstick. They fit better. I've seen the Skims mask in person and they are just not cute. They are so baggy and big and I'm like, why does it look like that? You guys, they are a perfect fit. This is so cute. Okay, you guys, here is the next look. I am like, why is this cuter than Skims? You guys know that when I did my last Skims haul, you guys saw how everything looked. Tell me this is not cuter than anything I had from Skims. And why is this only $15? The Skims version of this top is $32 and the bottom is $18, so that comes up to $50. This is also in the color Toast. Here are the leggings in Espresso, also in size 4. I got all of this in my skinny size because I know that the Slinky is very stretchy. So if you wanted to fit tight, I would recommend going a size down. My regular size is size 6 and then my skinny size is size 4. So I got a 4 in everything. I absolutely love these. They go all the way down and I am tall. The sleeves are super long and great foundations to dress up a look or dress a look down. These are $15 and the Skims bodysuits are $78. Like, you can get 5 of these for the price of one of the Skims, you guys. No. You guys cannot tell me that I'm not wearing Skims right now. You just cannot. What? Like, there's no way. Like, why does this fit better than Skims though? Why? Why is this a better fit than Skims? Why? Tell me, riddle me this. The mesh scoop neck bralette because it is sheer, so I have to wear both layers. And then this is the crop tee on top and the mesh thong. In the color truffle, each piece is in size medium. You cannot tell me I'm not about to take some Instagram pics and tag Skims and see if they notice though. You thought $15 was cheap? Why are these $12.50 each? Yes, $12.50 each piece. The Skims top alone is $48 though. All 3 of these for less than just the Skims top. Every time I get Skims, you guys saw, I'm either a large, I'm an extra large, I'm an extra small, I'm a small. Like, it's just all over the board. These fit like a glove. I got the shorts in the color clay in a size small because I wanted to try them out with you guys. Now clay is just a smidge more blush tone. Okay, so the small fits really good. Look, there's room in the band, which is a plus so that it's not like cutting off your fat. With the Skims, girl, those pieces are made for smaller girls, so they're never just perfectly fitting like this is on me. I wish the top here was a little looser, but after I lose a couple pounds, girl, this is gonna be perfect. On the PrettyLittleThing bodysuits, masks, everything, there is a hygienic protection layer here, right? Why don't we get a hygienic protection layer on the Skims? There are no hygienic liners on none of them. The panties, the shorts, anything. How can PrettyLittleThing put the hygienic label on here, but Skims can't? And Skims also has returns and stuff? I think that is just so nasty and just so like unprofessional. Kim, please get the hygienic label on your pieces. Like, why am I looking like Kim K in the Skims campaign right now? But for only $24. Oh my gosh, this is tripping me out, you guys. This is the mesh triangle bra in small in the color clay, and it just fits like a dream. I cannot believe PrettyLittleThing went there. Like, so last year, Kim K sued Misguided, you guys, for this same exact thing. And she sued them for $10 million when they ripped off her like Yeezy look and a gold dress that she had did. Now, about 6 months later, Misguided never responded, so she was awarded $2.7 million for knocking off her likeness and wardrobe pieces. Kim is going to sue PrettyLittleThing for this. That's just my opinion. It is literally exact replica. There's no getting around it. Girl, I'm here for it. They are so freaking cute. Okay, you guys, next up, we have this super bomb, sexy two-piece bralette set, and this is in size small, in the color clay as well. I knew I was gonna love clay because it was like the blush looking color. I absolutely love this. Now it is sheer. This one is not double lined because this is lingerie, which I personally love it. I did, just in case, put my push-up cups in just so there were no nip slips or anything like that. But girl, body snatched. I am just loving this piece. And again, for this set, both pieces, $15 for both. Do you think Kim should be allowed to sue if they're not using her name or their image? Is it because it just looks too much? You guys, let me know down below. Because at the end of the day, these brands are gonna be doing these looks regardless. I don't know, you guys. I love this set. I'm gonna jump into some more stuff. Here's the sleeveless bodysuit in vanilla and the matching legging. Which, oh, I am in love with this color. I love how the neck is tight up here. It's not baggy. And this was $15. The Skims bodysuit is $68. Leggings are $15 and the Skims leggings are $72, you guys. $72. And these fit so good. Oh, I just feel like I feel so modern sexy. And I have my fur coat right here. Let me show you how I wear this. And boom, girl, you are ready. How cute is this? Ooh, okay, you guys. So this is in the color almond. So with the scoop neck bodysuit, I found that these are a lot tighter in the same size. So I didn't do a bra, I actually just did my push-up cups. And that's actually what I wore last week in my Vive video. Oh, and speaking of Vive, you guys, Jamie Genevieve reached out to me. She issued me a refund. She was very sad that the products did not perform well for me. And her team were great. They were right on it. So thank you, Jamie. I really, really appreciate that. I actually forgot about that, and I was looking for my last bodysuit to go with these, and I remembered that I wore that last week. So this is how I wore it. They just, look at my shape, just so cute. I'm like snatched. Okay, you guys, so we are rounding out here. This one is a little sheer as well, so I'm just gonna cover because the inserts weren't looking right. But this is the bralette and short set in small in the color mannequin. Now, this was the only thing that I wasn't in love with, or I should just say this was the only thing I wasn't really happy with, because I just personally didn't love the fit on me. That's it. And again, this set is $15. That would have been $54 for the Skims set, you guys. And this is definitely the Netflix and chill outfit. Okay, you guys, that is it. I literally cannot try on anything else. I am like so tired and my back is hurting like it was last time. So the last thing that I had was Sleeveless Bodysuit in the color Pearl. So of course I still wanted to put it up to me so that you guys can see the color. Now this was the only thing because I did not know if these were going to be double lined or not. I just got this for showing purposes. If I knew that, I would have got the biker shorts. They also have biker shorts as well in this collection. Oh girl, and on top of that, then after the mask drop that they did, the next day, they duped the Kim K velour Skims outfit, you guys. Yes, they have done it all. Pretty Little Thing, you have duped it all. I don't even know what to say at this point. Let me know down below what you think of this collection, and are you gonna pick anything up? I will have all the links down below for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, and this hair. Oh my gosh. This hair, believe it or not, you guys, this is the same wig from the Skims video. Yes, the long, straight 30-inch one. This is the hair. That was months ago. I do recycle my wigs and restyle them and re-dye them. Okay, you guys, I went to go ahead and put on something more comfy. What I was saying about my hair, oh, and I went to go fix it a little bit since I'm talking about it. I had no idea you guys were going to love my hair as much as you did. I was like this close from taking that wig off and doing something else for the last video. I could not believe the response that I got from it. So for one, this wig is from my wig line, Princess Hair Plug, and I will have the link down below. Guys, I cut this wig with these freaking household craft scissors. So like I didn't because this wig was on its way out, so you know you always want to get like a last cute look out of it, so that's why I cut it. Before I did it like this, it was this wig right here, and as you can see, it has a lot of body and it's flipped out, and a lot of people thought that that was Photoshop, but that's really how the wig looked, you guys. It was just like, oh my gosh. I actually combed it out with a paddle brush. It just volumized like a dream, and it was always the middle part, but I took a long piece here and I swooped it across. When I picked that wig up, I just took the swoop away and I cut it like this. So I took the front pieces and I cut these short, and I have my flat iron here, and I'm going to show you guys how I curl these front pieces. It's super easy. You just want to make sure that you're holding it up, and you just go like this. Voila, you guys. And then down here, the reason this is flipped out is because it was already flipped out. So I just went over the, like this, and then it gave it a different type of defined curl. And then I just kind of cut these sections, like, so I did 3 layers, 1, 2, 3. Now the reason it is so fluffy is because I just washed it and blow dried it. I just did the curling iron on the end on the last hairstyle. So this was all fluffy. Now it was super fluffy because I cut a layer right here. And this wig is 150% density, so it is a thicker density. And this is in the color Snow White, and this is the wig with the honey blonde roots. But what I did was I went in with some black eyeshadow and I just put it on so that I could get a more cool tone vibe. Yes, you guys, that is the info on my hair. I'm so happy you guys liked it. I will have a link below. That is the info on everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next Friday morning. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later.